body. Where are you getting the issue? Show me.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
But,
Yeah.
Because yesterday, here it's mainly here, most pain.
Yes.
But yesterday also I feel it here, this place, at the joint.
In the joint. How long have you been suffering with this?
From the beginning of me,
Yes.
years, many years.
Many years, huh?
But this pain only since last week.
Since last
And
week, huh?
it started again.
Started again, yeah? And what are you finding difficult to do?
While sitting first, when I sit, if I stand, I feel difficult. Doing the prayer, when I want to raise from tashahhud up, I have a problem. But the pain is continuing. I feel it always these
Into
days.
there, yeah? Yes. You also had issues in the shoulders. What's been going on in the shoulder?
Shoulders, it's pain. Always I have pain. Now, when I'm talking to you, there is pain in my left and right.
Left side and
But
right
at the
side.
same time, when I raise it for a longer time, it makes pain.
When would you be doing this? What activity? I mean, what
I
time?
have the habit of putting my head, when I sit like this.
Ah,
When I bring it down, it is painful.
I see. Okay, so habit during the day, it's causing issues, and this on this left side of the lower back. Well, we're going to utilize our high intensity laser today as well, in combination with our joint correction. Inshallah, step by step, we'll get the results. All right, good, good. In your body, breathing, you
The breathing is good. I feel that my breath is ease now, not like before. And the movement, that's all. I feel that I'm lighter than before, to be honest.
Lighter than
Lighter than before.
The pain level?
And the pain level is reduced. If I came to you at 9, I can say now, easily now I'm at 6 level.
Level 6 out of 10. Come closer, Kat, please. What was the area that you were... What area has gone from 9 to 6? Come closer, Kat.
This area here.
This area here, yeah? Okay. And so that was before it was causing you problem how?
First pain,
Mm-hmm.
it was really acute pain, but now it's reduced. The second thing, especially when I'm sleeping, even when I was turning from side to side, I was feeling pain. Now I don't feel it. That turning from side to side, I'm okay now.
This is what
Still sometimes while, especially in the prayer, even in the prayers, before I came to you, when I used to raise, I used to put my hand slowly to come down. Now as it was, no pain. Alhamdulillah, thanks to Allah first and thanks to you, Doctor.
Alhamdulillah, all shifa comes from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Like, Alhamdulillah, your body is responding perfectly. And this is what, within 3 days, I think?
Yeah, 3 days.
Not long, so your body, but you were suffering for a long time.
Yes.
Yeah? How long was the problem going on?
The problem is long time, years. But the pain, when I came from Saudi, I started feeling here. When I reached almost 1 week before I came to you.
Alhamdulillah. Very good, sir. Very good. You're responding perfectly. Inshallah, may this continue. And we're doing this to avoid surgery. Inshallah. And to keep the joints healthy. Inshallah, for life. Doing so. All right. Good. Excellent. Excellent.